Which of the following cell organelles is semi-autonomous and contains its own DNA? Correct answer is option B, mitochondria. Which phase of the cell cycle is characterized by the highest metabolic activity? Correct answer is option C, J1 phase. Which of the following is not involved in RNA splicing? Correct answer is option D, J2 phase. The process by which leukocytes squeeze through capillary walls is known as. Correct answer is option A, diapedesis. Which hormone increases the reabsorption of water in kidneys? Correct answer is option B, ADH. Which of the following is a zymogen? Correct answer is option C, pepsinogen. Which organ in the human body is the main site for glycogenesis? Correct answer is option C, liver. Which antibody is first produced during an immune response? Correct answer is option C. Which protein is responsible for muscle contraction? Correct answer is option A, myosin. What is the functional unit of the liver? Correct answer is option D, lobule. The oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve shifts to the right in response to. Correct answer is option D, high carbon dioxide. Which of the following is not a component of the innate immune system? Correct answer is option D, T lymphocyte. Which vitamin is synthesized by intestinal bacteria? Correct answer is option B, vitamin K. In humans, barred bodies represent. Correct answer is option C, inactive X chromosome. Which structure prevents food from entering the respiratory tract? Correct answer is option C, epiglottis. The Bohr effect is related to. Correct answer is option B, oxygen binding capacity of hemoglobin. Which hormone regulates circadian rhythm? Correct answer is option B, melatonin. Which structure in the brain controls voluntary movement? Correct answer is option D, cerebrum. Which of the following contains both endocrine and exocrine tissues? Correct answer is option C, pancreas. The enzyme responsible for breaking down hydrogen peroxide in cells is. Correct answer is option A, catalase. Which blood component has the shortest lifespan? Correct answer is option C, platelet. Which structure in the air maintains balance? Correct answer is option C, semicircular canals. The glomerular filtration rate is mainly controlled by. Correct answer is option B, blood pressure. Which of the following is a purine base in DNA? Correct answer is option C, adenine. Which enzyme is deficient in phenylketonuria? Correct answer is option B, phenylalanine hydroxylase. The basic unit of a muscle fiber is. Correct answer is option C, sarcomere. Which organelle is known as the suicidal bag of the cell? Correct answer is option B, lysosome. Which cells in the testes produce testosterone? Correct answer is option C, Leydig cells. The gene that determines maleness in humans is located on. Correct answer is option B, Y chromosome. Antibodies are produced by. Correct answer is option C, plasma cells. In photosynthesis, oxygen is released from. Correct answer is option C, water. The hormone responsible for uterine contraction is. Correct answer is option A, oxytocin. Which type of immunity is acquired after vaccination? Correct answer is option C, artificial active. The end product of protein digestion is. Correct answer is option B, amino acid. Which vitamin is involved in collagen synthesis? Correct answer is option B, vitamin C. The cardiac muscle is. Correct answer is option A, involuntary and striated. In which organelle does the Krebs cycle occur? Correct answer is option C, mitochondria. A person with anti-A and anti-B antibodies in plasma has blood group. Correct answer is option D, blood group O. Which genetic disorder results from trisomy 21? Correct answer is option C, Down syndrome. Which part of the eye regulates the amount of light entering the eye? Correct answer is option C, iris. Which one of the following is a water-soluble vitamin? Correct answer is option D, vitamin B1. Hemophilia is caused by the deficiency of. Correct answer is option A, clotting factor V3. Which structure stores sperm temporarily in male? Correct answer is option C, epididymis. The primary organ of gas exchange in humans is. Correct answer is option C, lungs. Which enzyme begins carbohydrate digestion in the mouth? Correct answer is option C, salivary amylase. Which layer of the skin contains melanocyte? Correct answer is option A, epidermis. Which of the following produces cerebrospinal fluid? Correct answer is option B, choroid plexus. The outermost Meningale layer covering the brain is. Correct answer is option C, dura mater. Which cells attack and destroy pathogens directly? Correct answer is option B, T lymphocytes. Which gland controls metabolism? Correct answer is option D, thyroid gland.